Hello guys, and welcome to this new Power BI tutorial. In this video, I'm going to create a dashboard using global freelancers dataset. The dataset that we are going to use contains different freelancers names, ID, gender, age, country, language, primary skill, years of experience, hourly rate in US dollars, rating, if the freelancer is active or not, and we have also the client satisfaction. In this video, I'm going directly to use the cleaned dataset, where the link to download this dataset is available in the description. You can also find the link in the description to the video that I created last week on how to create this dataset after downloading it from Kaggle. But in our tutorial, we are going directly to import this clean dataset as CSV, and we are going to start directly our analysis. To do that, we click on Get Data, Text CSV, and we import our CSV file. So as you can see here, we have all the columns. Click on Load. And here we have all our columns. So the first thing that we are going to do is that we are going to create a card with the total number of freelancers. So it will be count distinct. We have 822. Next, we are going to also format that, right? So I'm going to save some space in here. All right. Let's put it in the center like that. So basically, we start by the effects, right? So we add the border. It will be 20 around it. It will be in black. Then for the values, same thing in black, bold, right? And also we have the label in black, right? Where we can change its name in here. Rename for this total freelancers. Okay. Next, we are going to create 4 different filters. So we can select slicer. Start with the country, and same thing, we are going to format that. So slicer settings, it will be drop down, right? So for the border, same thing, black 20. For the values, same thing, black bold, and same thing for the header. All right, so we can put it in here. Okay, copy paste. Select both of them, so press Ctrl, select 2 of them, copy paste, and put them on the other side. All right, so here we have our filters. So the second filter, we remove country and we put the gender. For the third one, we remove the country, it will be language. And for the first one, remove the country and if the freelancer is active or not, right? Have yes or no, different languages, have the gender, and we have the country. So this for the filters. Next, we create the bar chart, right? So same thing, put it in the center like that. And we select the primary skills, right, by the count. Okay, same thing in here. We are going to format that. So we start by the border. Then we are going to go back to visual. So the y-axis, we remove the title, values in black. Same thing for the x-axis, we remove the title and the values in black. Then for the bars, it will be same thing in black, and we remove the grid lines. Same thing for the x-axis if we want to remove the values, and we add directly the labels. So the position, outside end, and the value, they will be in black. Alright, we can also change the title. So in general, title, we have primary skills by total freelancers, right? Okay, so for the title, same thing, we are going to put it in black, bold, in the center. All right, next we are going to create 4 go charts, right? So the first one, it will be the average hourly rate in US dollars. So as you can see, the maximum is 200, right? So if we put the average, right, put it like that. All right, if we click on the axis, the maximum we can set, for example, 210 or 200, which is the maximum, right? Now same thing, to format that, we start by the border, which will be black 20. Next we have the colors, which will be black, right? And same thing for the labels, so black, bold, same thing, target, and also the column with only 2 decimal numbers. Okay, now for the title, we can do the same thing, black, bold, in the center, and it will be average hourly rate. Okay, so here we have the average hourly rate as go chart. So we copy paste this one, put it like that. Okay, so remove the hourly rate, and for example we put the years of experience as the average. Okay, so the title will be different, average years of experience. And if we select the maximum, you can see that it is 41, right? So put it as average, and the axis maximum, put it as 41. Now press Ctrl key, select 2 of them, copy paste, and put them on the other side. Alright, so now we just need to modify that a little bit. Okay, so here we have, can select the age, same thing, it will be we want to know the maximum, 60, right? So we select the average, and on the axis we're going to put it as 60. Okay, and the last one, it will be, for example, the rating. If we select the maximum, we have 5, right? So here we select the average, and on the axis it will be 5. Okay, so here we have average age as the title. And here we have the rating, so average rating. Okay, so if we close everything, we get our final dashboard. Let's say, for example, we want all the active female, so gender female, active yes, who speak English, right? So the countries we can see here where we can find them. So we have Australia, Canada, United Kingdom, and United States. So for the average hourly rate is 60.75 US dollars. The average years of experience, we have more than 12 years. We have 38 of them. And here we have the primary skills. So we have cybersecurity, web development, blockchain, data analysis, etc. Here the average age is around 40 years old, and the average rating is 2.57 out of 5. So this is an example on how to read this dashboard. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope that you have learned new things. Thanks for watching, and see you in next tutorial.